Today we're going to show you guys how you can completely customize your house here in Las Vegas and convert a garage into an amazing greenhouse. Now, one of the biggest challenges here in Las Vegas is not having the humidity or the temperature to grow most plants outside. Heck, most of the plants that exist here have some kind of irrigation system running underneath them. I think there's really only 4 or 5 native plants that grow in the desert. Well, Carol Siegel is the president of the Greater Las Vegas Orchid Society. She has a passion for orchids, and she and her husband have created an amazing greenhouse in their garage at their house because homeowners association said you can't put an extension on your house. So let's see what Carol's done. If you guys love beautiful things, check this out. You can check out the Greater Las Vegas Orchid Society. You guys can see the links below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe the video and the channel because we talk about the challenges of living in Vegas. We talk about the ways of life that you have to adapt to while you're out here. You might learn a thing or two, and you might see some cool stuff while we're walking around on the strip or doing a live stream. So without further ado, here's Carol. And our orchids haven't bloomed, but hers, yeah, hers certainly have.
Carol Siegel, and I'm the president of the Greater Las Vegas Orchid Society. People are always surprised that we can grow orchids in the dry desert, but we can. Best of all is a greenhouse, but I live in a community that doesn't allow greenhouses, so I grow in my garage. And you can grow beautiful orchids in your garage. Come let us see. There are several things you need to grow orchids. One of them is light. And I'm converting to LED lights. These are LED lights. And they're 4 foot long. They have highlight on the top. And these are low light plants. At the moment they have fluorescence. I grow a combination of T5 bulbs and LED. As you can see, it's very dry in the desert. So we supplement it with a humidifier. It's on a humidistat. I'll turn it down so it won't be so noisy. So we're getting between 70 and 80% humidity in an area that only gets 7. That's what these plants get in nature. We also have fans because the orchids like temperature like we do. They like it when it's about 70 and balmy. And these fans help do that. We also have to provide cool in the summer. I've got an air conditioner. Because the lights generate heat, I never need heat. You'll see that I have plastic up. The plastic is 6ml plastic, and it provides a temperature gradient that's 20 degrees warmer or cooler than it is in the ambient air in the garage. So I've made a little special environment. So I have an air conditioner up there. Orchids like water, that it doesn't have as much calcium as ours. I give my orchids deionized water. And I have a tank made every few months that gives it the best water. I've got a sink. The sink has the nice water, and I can water my plants at the sink. I also have a hose that I can use to water my plants. I fertilize my plants every couple of weeks. Not very weekly, but I do. So we have temperature taken care of, we have air movement, we have humidity, we have fertilization, and we have light. The orchids are very happy here. On the top are highlight plants like these cattleyas and these dahlias. I particularly like dahlias. I think they're just beautiful star-shaped plants. We also have a number of other things like Oncidia intergenerics. On the bottom, we have low light plants with lower lights. Right now, it's getting towards evening, so my lights are shutting off. I mimic daylight so that if there's 10 hours of daylight in winter, these are on a timer, they go on and off. In the summer, just like in nature, I get 14 hours. I change the timers. Here are some beautiful Trader Joe type phalaenopsis. Very easy to grow and they last a long time. These are dendrobium. Dendrobium orchids are one of the biggest genuses, they call them genera of orchids. They last for months at a time. Let's see what else we have here. These are intergeneric plants. They like highlight. And these are called Paphiopedilum. They're weird lady slipper orchids. And they like it in my setup. This one is a Zygopedilum. It's from Brazil. And it smells absolutely heavenly. We have some others. This is another Laelia. They grow very tall and like star shape. And over here are, of course, what everybody likes are Cattleyas. If you smell them, they smell heavenly, like cinnamon and flowers. This one is Encyclias ciliare, and you can see. But here's another one, which is a dendrobium. But what you can see is that in the desert, if you take care of the needs of the plant, you can grow orchids. When the plant gets too big and I can't put it anymore under my lights, I take it upstairs. I have a big window. And these great big plants love to grow in the window. And so my message to you is that there is nothing more fun than growing orchids. They are a source of joy and pleasure. They connect you to the divine, and they are an opportunity for you to experience beauty every single day of your life. Come to the Orchid Society. We meet the second Sunday of every month at the Rainbow Library, 3150 North Buffalo. And you can call me, 702-525-3714, and I'll tell you all about it. Happy blooming. Keep blooming in 2020.